want to know how to call a program in Java. So in this video, we will see how to run all the programs in your computer using the simple runtime class. So in this video, I'm just going to use a simple compiler. If you have IDEs to run Java, this might help as well. So this example simply calls the calculator the exec method. So we have exec right here, which simply calls a calculator. It is used to run external programs. So if the program exists, it will launch. Otherwise, you will get an error. So on an online compiler, you won't see that calculator opens, but the logic remains the same for your computer. That's how you call a program in Java. And that's it. Super simple and easy. You can just simply run this code to show that it works, and there you go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.